front of me is Huawei Pura 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by launching settings and clicking on sounds and vibration. Then click on vibration under sound mode, and this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. When you finished, scroll down to access phone ringtone. Over here, by tapping on vibration section under SIM 1 and SIM 2, you can apply a perfect vibration pattern for your incoming calls, or select synchronized at the top. Wherever you decided, when you go back, you can click on message tone, select vibration, and adjust vibration pattern for your incoming messages. In this case though, you can also select none at the bottom. Lastly, do exactly the same for your notifications. Then to manage last two options, hit more settings at the bottom and click on those two switchers next to vibrate when ringing, and system haptics to switch them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!